Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious seafood soup. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of mixed seafood, including shrimp, scallops, and a firm white fish. Dice 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Also, mince 2 cloves of garlic. Have your fish stock or clam juice ready, approximately 4 cups. This initial preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's build the rich flavor base for our soup. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced onions, carrots, and celery, cooking for about 5 to 7 minutes until they soften. Stir in the minced garlic for 1 minute until aromatic. Then, pour in 4 cups of fish stock or clam juice, along with 1 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer. This is where our soup truly becomes a seafood delight. Once your broth is simmering, add about 8 ounces of firm white fish, cut into 1-inch pieces. Let it cook for approximately 5 minutes. Next, introduce 8 ounces of peeled shrimp and 8 ounces of scallops. These cook quickly, usually in 3 to 4 minutes, until they turn opaque and are just cooked through. Avoid overcooking to keep the seafood tender and flavorful. Finally, let's perfect our seafood soup. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Stir in about 1/4 cup of fresh chopped parsley or cilantro for a burst of fresh flavor and color. Let the soup rest off the heat for a couple of minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Ladle into bowls and serve immediately, perhaps with some warm, crusty bread. Enjoy your homemade, comforting seafood soup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.